didn't see you there. Today, I'm going to teach you a beautiful fry method.
A beautiful fry method.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
With sauces. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get the full flavor on your fries if you have 2 sauces. So I'm going to rip my fry in half if you have one long enough, but you can take 2 if you need to. And then you're going to dip one side of both of them, the other side in the other sauce, which I like ketchup and sweet and sour sauce, and you're going to flip it over, and if you're taking 2 bites, full flavor in one.
Genius.
She's not up here.